Being cool used to be so easy. I used to be so cool, my dimples would frost over. But take it from me, nobody stays cool forever. Over the years, I've tried everything. I tried cold yoga. I tried ice yoga. I made all my t-shirts into tanks and my tuxedos into tanksedos. Even jogging in slow-mo, which honestly isn't as cool as it looks. I even thought about shaving my head. Nah. And of course, I've tried air conditioners, but even this old AC couldn't keep its cool. It all seemed hopeless until I discovered Midea U. An AC upgrade? I didn't think it could be done, but look. Now that's cool. Now I'm as cool as ever. No more fanny packs full of ice packs for me. Midea U, an upgraded AC for cool people and other people. AC upgrade, Midea U, yeah. But mostly cool people. Smart, cool people. Well, cool people who get hot. People who are cool, but quiet about it.
Yeah, AC upgrade.
GE Smart Window Air Conditioners work with the Smart HQ app, so you can monitor and control your comfort from anywhere. Available in a wide range of cooling capacities, these modern units can be voice-activated for hands-free convenience. Come with 3 cooling modes and fan speeds, and are Energy Star certified for efficient, everyday comfort. GE Air Conditioners, comfort you can rely on.
At Best Reviews, we spend hours researching and testing products to help consumers simplify their purchasing decisions. Today, we're working hands-on with the DeLonghi Pinguino 3-in-1 portable air conditioner. The brand markets this portable air conditioner as quiet and smart. So smart, they say, it can sense the temperature, humidity, and where you've situated it in the room. So we tested it to see how it performed in a home environment. When shopping for a portable air conditioner, it's important to consider the size of the space that needs to be cooled, as well as the size of the unit itself, the overall energy consumption, how much noise the machine creates when running, and the climate in which the machine will be used. The DeLonghi Pinguino costs about $600, putting it on the higher end of the price spectrum for consumer-level portable air conditioning units. The company says that the easily portable unit can cool a space of up to 700 square feet, operating quietly at near whisper levels. It also comes with a cool surround technology that claims to automatically adjust the output based on the humidity and your position in the room. We wanted to see if it did everything it promises. Setup was straightforward and the instructions were clear. The main hurdle is ensuring that the machine is properly venting out of a window. To do this, you simply attach the hose to the back of the unit and then into the included window kit, which fits into the window. The kit fits from 20 to 47 inches wide. The remote stood out to us because, unlike other competitors that use an infrared beam to connect with the machine, it used Bluetooth, making commanding the unit that much more reliable. And when DeLonghi says that this machine senses where you are, the remote plays a big part in that. Unlike other machines, the Pinguino uses Bluetooth technology to sense exactly where the remote is in the room and adjust the temperature and humidity in that specific area. To test the unit in different environments, we prepared spaces to replicate a bedroom at 180 square feet, as well as a living room space at 320 square feet. We then measured a baseline temperature and humidity reading before turning it on in each space for an hour. In the bedroom space, the unit cooled the room by 9 degrees, and in the living room space, the unit cooled the room by 6 degrees. The humidity was brought down to a comfortable level in both rooms. Overall, it was effective and efficient at lowering the temperature and humidity evenly in both spaces. We also measured the unit's sound output in both high, low, and quiet modes. We first took an ambient noise reading and then powered on the unit, holding the decibel meter 5 feet away. While in high mode, the sound output is comparable to the typical 3-speed fan you could buy at any store. In low, it starts to show its advantage by striking the balance between powerful yet hushed performance, and in quiet mode, it is nearly imperceptible at 5 feet. This machine is easy to use. The buttons on the unit and the remote control are simple and straightforward. DeLonghi's Pinguino was proficient at its intended purpose, cooling and dehumidifying the room in which it was placed. The standout feature is that it adjusted temperature and humidity in tandem to create a comfortable and consistently cool environment. They call it Real Feel, and it makes the room as comfortable as possible without cranking the unit and driving up the power bill. It's a portable air conditioner, but it's also a formidable dehumidifier. It's normal for the Pinguino to collect water in the internal tray, and those in humid climates should be aware that they'll have to empty it more frequently, especially before moving the unit, to avoid spillage. If you live in a low humidity environment, most of the moisture will dissipate without any extra work from you. And if the tray ever becomes too full, the unit will alert you. Naturally, it is possible to move from room to room, but it's heavy at 83 pounds. It was difficult for one person to carry it up the stairs, but the wheels allow it to be easily rolled on the same level without extra hassle. There are some limitations of where it will work best. The machine must be plugged into a 3-prong grounded outlet through its cord that is only 5.5 feet long, and not through an extension cord. Additionally, because portable air conditioners need to be placed in an open space in order to function, you won't be able to tuck it away completely out of sight. Finally, DeLonghi recommends keeping the unit out of the sun and closing the blinds and shades to maximize energy savings. With that said, the Pinguino does have a sleek, simple design, so it won't be an eyesore if it has to become a feature of the room. To recap with the pros and cons. First, the pros. The DeLonghi Pinguino is effective at cooling and dehumidifying rooms in the proper conditions. They're ideal for bedrooms because they are generally better suited for the space and closed environment. But they're also useful for open living rooms that might be a little airier. Also, it's just easy to use, which is helpful when it's really hot outside. Now the cons. It would be heavy for one person to move around their home, and shouldn't be regarded as a unit users can regularly move about their house if it has multiple levels. The bottom line. The DeLonghi Pinguino is a powerful, high-end air conditioning machine that can cool and dehumidify rooms while being relatively energy efficient. It's the best of the best option for us if you're seeking a solution to hot summers without central air.
Whynter portable air conditioners offer mobile and convenient cooling solutions anywhere you need it. With an easy setup and powerful cooling, Whynter portable air conditioners provide a convenient way to stay cool and comfortable. The Whynter ARC 14S 14,000 BTU portable air conditioner is a highly effective dual hose unit that provides exceptionally effective cooling when you need it most. Utilizing a dual hose system, this unit is able to more efficiently cool and maintain the conditions within a room. This portable air conditioner comes in two versions: the ARC 14S, which is a cool-only unit, and the ARC 14SH, which has a heat pump function that can be used as a space heater during cooler weather. For the portable air conditioner to cool effectively, the hot air the unit removes from the room needs to be vented to the outside. The window venting kits that come with our Whynter portable air conditioner fits most standard windows. You may make a custom modification and vent the exhaust through a wall or into a drop ceiling. Lift the window and adjust the window slide bars to the width or height of your window. Next, tighten the screws to hold the slide bars in position. Make sure the grooved side of the window slide bar is facing inside. Insert the fixtures to the holes of the window slide bar. Make sure the two closure tabs of the fixture are facing the inside. Install the 4 screws of the fixture from the inside. The end of the screws should point towards the outside. Close the window tightly enough to hold the slide bar in place. Attach the hose connectors to both ends of the hoses. Attach one end of the hoses to the back of the air conditioner. Extend the hoses as needed and attach the other end to the window slide bar. The easy setup process is complete. You can now enjoy your Whynter portable air conditioner. Pull open the top air vent. Power on the unit using the control panel. Select Cool Mode by pressing the Mode button. Set desired temperature by pressing the plus and minus buttons. Select fan speed by pressing the fan button. This unit comes equipped with a pre-filter as well as an odor neutralizing carbon filter.